Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Let's make banana cake. Here I have overripe bananas. These are the best bananas to use for your banana cake because you can easily squash them. And in total I used 6 medium-sized bananas which weigh 250 grams, and we're going to squash this. You can decide to use your fork to squash this or use your squasher, but in all you do, make it to be very smooth. Now I'll transfer this into a bigger bowl. And I brought in sugar, and we're going to whisk this together to combine properly. Now I brought in 3 eggs, and we are also going to whisk this together. Whisk it well enough to dissolve the egg yolks. And I brought in oil. I also brought in vanilla essence and milk. And we'll also whisk this together to combine properly. Now we're going to sift in our flour. I brought in baking powder, baking soda, and salt. It's important you sift in your flour for cake. It will help to break in the flour molecules, and we'll mix all this together to be nice and fluffy. Now I'll transfer this into my baking pan. I laced it with parchment paper so that this wouldn't stick at all, and I brought in some crushed peanuts. This took this cake to another level. You need to try this. Remember, at Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. And we'll be sending this to a preheated oven, and we'll be baking at 175 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Check how long you need to preheat your oven before bringing in the cake batter. And here is our cake coming out from the oven. My kitchen right now is smelling so good. We'll bring this out from the pan and we'll allow it to cool before cutting into it. I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to you all my subscribers. Thank you for checking out my videos. You all make my day worthwhile. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share my videos and get amazing contents like this. Thank you so much, and God bless you richly. And this cake is so soft and so fluffy. I hope you learned a thing or more from this video. I would like to see your questions or suggestions in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.